Okay, DK Shivkumar is speaking. This is DK Shivkumar.
ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾನು ನೋಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನನ್ನ ಮನಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಸಮಾಧಾನ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಿಂದ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮನ ಫುಲ್ಲು ಈಗ ಹೊಸ ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಷನ್ ಕಮಿಷನರ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಆಫ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಷನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅನೌನ್ಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ.
ವಿಪಕ್ಷಗಳು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ಪಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ರಾಜೀನಾಮೆಯನ್ನು ಆಗ್ರಹಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ ಸರ್.
ಕೊಡೋಣ ರಾಜೀನಾಮೆ. ಪಾಪ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಕೇಳಿ, ನಿನಗೆ ತಾಳ್ಮೆ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಕೇಳು. ನೀನು ನನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ದಬಾವಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾರು ದಬಾವಣೆಗೆಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಕೇಳೋದು. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತಾಳ್ಮೆಯಿಂದ ಒಬ್ಬ ಹೆಣ್ಮಗಳು ಕೇಳ್ತಾವಳೆ, ಆ ಹೆಣ್ಮಗಳಿಗೆ ಉತ್ತರ ಹೇಳೋಣ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಿನಗೂ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, 100 ಜನಕ್ಕೂ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ರಾಜೀನಾಮೆಯನ್ನು ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್.
ಕೊಡೋಣ, ಪಾಪ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ರಾಜೀನಾಮೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಕೊಡೋಣ. ಅವ್ರ ಆಸೆ ನೆರವೇರಿಸೋಣ. ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ.
While DK Shivkumar, we are hearing the Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka, DK Shivkumar speaking when the reporters asked him the question that the opposition party is asking your resignation. DK Shivkumar is all cool, he is acting all cool and saying that if opposition party is asking the resignation, I'm ready to give the resignation, but let the opposition also know that clearly we, especially me, DK Shivkumar, will never go under any pressure politics. It's their rights to climb for the resignation, but I will not go under any pressure. The opposition parties in Karnataka are doing politics over crops, over dead body, but we Congress party will never do the politics over the dead bodies. We are taking actions. FIR have been launched. Every action is underway, so we are not doing any politics over the stampede case. It's only opposition, it's the BJP and the JDS who are doing the politics over the issue of the stampede is what DK Shivkumar is saying as of now. Especially opposition party are targeting DK Shivkumar. It is what he is saying now. Especially JDS and BJP is targeting DK Shivkumar, but DK Shivkumar is in no way responsible for the program or the stampede is what DK Shivkumar is explaining now. And also reporters asked DK Shivkumar that it was you who went there to welcome the RCB players and you were there along with them in both the events, and DK Shivkumar is replying that yes, I was there. They called them, the people from the cricket board invited me, and also as the event near Vidhan Sauda was organized by government, so I was there. I was just part of the program. Yes, I went to airport to pick the players. I gave them the Karnataka flag and RCB flag, but what's wrong in it? Is DK Shivkumar asking now? It's not a crime. I went there, I wished the players, but there is no crime in this, so I will not go under the pressure of the opposition parties, what DK Shivkumar is explaining. So now the reporters also asked that there is a blame game going on and the oppositions are saying that innocent police officials are targeted. They are no way connected with this. Rather than the police officials, it was the politicians who should have been the blame, is what opposition is saying, was the question asked by the reporter for this. DK Shivkumar is now replying that the suspension of the police official was the decision by Chief Minister and it is the right decision, but the opposition party is doing politics over that decision of the government also. But we as a government, Congress party and me, we know very clearly that what the opposition party people, especially few who are continuously targeting me or playing behind the screens, I know very well who are there behind the screens playing politics against me, I know, but the Congress government is taking care of those who are injured and we have full sympathy towards the common man who lost their life, is what DK Shivkumar is saying now. And also reporter asked that there is a growing aggression in the public forum also. They are demanding Chief Minister and also your resignation. The reporter asked this question and now DK Shivkumar is saying that people have voted us, people have given us majority, so we know what people will demand
the
from us,
BJP.
and the Congress government is
My
right in
honorable
that
Chief
way,
Minister was
you know,
kind enough
fulfilling
to
the
announce
people's
a judicial
demand.
inquiry.
And we know that it's not
What
the
we have
public
got-
demand,
what
but the
we have got
opposition
here
demand is what D.K.
internally.
Shivakumar has
So
replied.
action has been taken on some of them. Investigation is going on. The magistrate investigation, a judicial investigation, and again the cases has been referred to the COD. What more a government can do? The government has done its best to give justice and see that we will come out with a plan of action with such type of events in the future.
So the demanding for your resignation, sir, what you have to say?
Even they let the demand. I will not answer to all their these political answers now. They are trying to do politics on the dead bodies. We don't want to do politics. We never did earlier also. I'll come back to you on later.
Cricket Association had also.
All right, that was D.K. Shivakumar, clearly very nimble-footed, trying to put the onus on the organizers, saying I was there because I was invited. The event at the Vidhan Sauda was a government event, and that is why I was there, because I am part of the government. And then he's saying all investigations are in place, a judicial investigation, a magisterial investigation. What more can we do? Once an investigation update comes, I will come back to you on the demand of the opposition seeking in his resignation. He says that we have the mandate and it's a political demand. Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar seeking to pass the buck. Seems to be the case.